GED Practice Test 2026 General Educational Development, Full Course Life Science Biology. Question 1. What is the basic building block of all living things? An atom. A cell. A tissue. An organ. The cell is the smallest unit of life. Question 2. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? Nucleus. Ribosome. Mitochondrion. Vacuole. Mitochondria produce ATP, energy, for the cell. Question 3. Photosynthesis takes place in which cell organelle? Cell wall. Chloroplast. Cytoplasm. Lysosome. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll to capture sunlight. Question 4. Which molecule contains the genetic instructions for an organism? RNA. ATP. DNA. Glucose. Deoxyribonucleic acid is the hereditary material. Question 5. The process by which a single cell divides into two identical daughter cells is called meiosis, mitosis, fertilization, osmosis. Mitosis is for growth and repair. Question 6. In genetics, an allele that masks the effect of another allele is called recessive, dominant, mutated, hybrid. Dominant traits are expressed even if only one copy is present. Question 7. Natural selection is a mechanism for instant mutation, evolution, cloning, homeostasis. It is the process where better adapted organisms survive and reproduce. Question 8. What is homeostasis? The study of fossils. The maintenance of a stable internal environment. The process of breathing. The death of a cell. Body temperature and pH are kept stable through homeostasis. Question 9. In a food chain, producers are organisms that eat other animals, break down dead matter, make their own food using sunlight, hunt for prey. Plants and algae are producers. Question 10. Which body system is responsible for transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout the body? Respiratory system, nervous system, circulatory system, digestive system. The heart and blood vessels make up the circulatory system. Question 11. The human genome consists of all the in a human cell. Proteins, DNA, bacteria, carbohydrates. The genome is the complete set of genetic material. Question 12. Which of the following is a decomposer? Hawk, fungi, rabbit, tree. Fungi and bacteria break down dead organic matter. Question 13. A Punnett square is used to measure the height of a plant, predict the probability of offspring genotypes, count the number of cells, separate DNA fragments. It shows the possible combinations of alleles from parents. Question 14. What is the main purpose of meiosis? To repair skin cells. To produce gametes, sperm and egg cells, with half the chromosomes. To digest food. To store energy. Meiosis is specialized cell division for reproduction. Question 15. Which of the following is a biotic factor in an ecosystem? Water, sunlight, bacteria, soil. Biotic factors are the living parts of an environment. Question 16. In the respiratory system, gas exchange, O2 and CO2, occurs in the trachea, alveoli, bronchi, esophagus. Alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where exchange happens. Question 17. According to the cell theory, all cells come from pre-existing cells, have a cell wall, are the same size, can move on their own. This is one of the three main tenets of cell theory. Question 18. Which of the following is a consumer in an ecosystem? Grass, wheat, cow, algae. Consumers must eat other organisms for energy. Question 19. A change in the DNA sequence is called a translation, transcription, mutation, adaptation. Mutations can be beneficial, harmful, or neutral. Question 20. Which organ is the primary site of nutrient absorption in the human body? Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, liver. The small intestine's large surface area is optimized for absorption.